Hey everyone, thanks so much for joining me in this video today. If you're a personal assistant and you're looking for an affordable professional website to advertise your services, you're definitely in the right place today, so keep watching this video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to use the MultiSites platform to build a simple website for your personal assistant service or business. If you haven't heard of MultiSites before, we pretty much built the platform to remove all the barriers for small businesses, solopreneurs, people with various side hustles, so they can have a professional, effective, and easy to update website for only $9 a month. There is a free trial available for 7 days, no credit card details needed. So make sure you click on the link below this video to start that free trial. Once you join the platform, the first thing it's going to ask you to do at the top is to search for your markets. Now, we have hundreds of different markets to choose from, over 900 currently for various small businesses. We are adding more markets every single week as well. So I'm going to head to the top and search for my templates, personal assistants. Let's go ahead and select that market. Great. Let's tell MultiSite a few basic details about our business so it can generate a simple website for us. I'm going to pop in my city and my state or region. However, it doesn't matter where in the world your business is operating from, you can enjoy the MultiSite service. We have happy users from all around the globe. Once we click on continue, MultiSites is automatically going to generate a website for us, do all the hard work with the information we've just put in. And there you have it. It's literally done so in a couple seconds. Let's take a closer look at what it's come up with together. Now, the beauty of MultiSites is we've actually pre-written all the content for you as a guideline, of course. We've also pre-selected all the images as well. They're all really high quality. As you can see, they're completely free for you to use as well. However, I'm sure you've got some of your own images and maybe you want to make one or two amendments to this content that was pre-written for you. Perhaps you don't offer all these services, or you want to include a little bit more details about your business, how it came to be, how you got into this industry. So I'm going to be showing you exactly how to do that. You don't need to know any website coding or be a web professional in any kind of way. You certainly don't need to hire anyone to help you with this either. So let's get started. I'm going to click on the first section at the top. I'm going to pop in my email address over here. I want to make sure that that is visible on my website. So I'm going to go ahead and tick that box so people can easily reach out to me, find my contact details. Phone number, that is click to call, by the way. Now, your address, physical location, maybe you are strictly a personal assistant online and you want to leave this off, you can do so. However, if you have a physical location, you want to advertise your physical location, your address, pop it in over here, because when your website's live, your customers can actually click on that address and be taken directly to Google Maps for directions. And update social links is where you can put in the various social media platforms your business is active on. Icons will be displayed at the top as well as at the bottom of your MultiSites website. Now, if you have a business logo, head on over to the next section to upload it. Once your logo has been uploaded, you can click on that pencil. You can crop it, rotate it, add filters or frames by clicking on the pencil. Otherwise, save it. Here on the right is where you can make your logo bigger and smaller. Now, with MultiSites, we pre-selected the colors for you. If you'd like to change them to suit your branding a little bit better, click on that paint bucket bottom right-hand corner, go through the various color palettes available for you to use. No color coding needed at all. Literally just scroll through the colors and select one that suits you best. Now, for each section you'd like to make a little bit more personalized to your business, make some changes, click on that update section button directly underneath it. Head on over to update images. This is where you can browse your device to upload your own images. Search through that photo library, hundreds of high quality images, very professional and all free to use. Otherwise, if you have an Instagram profile, you can actually click on that button, connect your Instagram accounts, automatically pull in your Instagram photos with a click of a button. Under update action, we can change those call to action buttons, the text on them, where they link to. You can even upload a PDF file for your customers. So when they click on that button, it will automatically download the PDF file. In the last section, we have a lead generation form. Customers can easily reach out to you, or potential customers, keep track of all your leads in your Multi dashboard. If you have a custom domain for your business, go ahead and click on this yellow button at the bottom to connect your domain. If you don't have a domain, you really want one to make your website look even more professional, trustworthy, stand out from all your competitors, go ahead and click on that button as well. You can purchase one via our platform as well. Really hope that short tutorial was helpful in building a simple website for your personal assistant business. Really wishing you and your business mighty success.